Hello, this is Timothy. Gather up more clues. Well, you've been following the reopened case of Natalie Wood mystery like myself. Guess what I learned? Death to brainstorm, birth to rainstorm. Well, consider the holiday season 30 years ago in 1981 cursed. Think I know why. Well, it's just, you want to know about the part that says, tonight, sick for tonight, sicko. 111 and 111s to James Dean. On Halloween 1981, the second half. 4 weeks later, it was to Natalie Wood on November 28th, same year. 4 weeks. In 4 weeks, for week Wood. You know that was going towards, well, just say of darkness, combination of fire, water, and darkness sinking in the abyss. I don't give too much clues, but you figure out how that could be how she died. Well, you find something flammable rhyming with wine could help. Turn to that. I know the answer, but won't tell you what it is. And let's just say 3 days later, you could say she was. You could call her the Antichrist. I don't think she is. It's not. I'll say it's not true. But I never know. But I think, in my opinion, she's cursed, not evil or anything of the nature of the Antichrist. I think of more inclusive clues. Well, if Britney Spears does come to mind, I'll say you could put them all together and say she was born in a rainstorm, not like myself. Was born in no fire and life of Snow White, but fire in the sky brings no light. And that's what creates a rainstorm. Then you better be careful, because powerful stuff. And don't want to goof up with Antichrist 666 Day on December 25th, and then also on a Friday, Lucifer Day. And then, yeah, have Friday the 13th in November. And I just say the whole time period in between Halloween and New Year's Day, 81 and 82. Anytime between November and December concludes that there was a hex of evil, fire rebel without a cause. Someone would love to watch that movie. And I think we had the idea that, well, we could say Reagan is the Lucifer of our time, and then you have Palin as the Diana of our time. Just I already showed you the people. Now, if it's true if they hexed James Dean and Natalie Wood, then I probably am James Dean. Or just 3337. We know Natalie Wood is 9993. And there's another A-list celebrity with a number 9993. I would not talk to Robert Wagner or Christopher Walken. I would let him crack under pressure, and then let's find the named equal to that through the Twilight Saga stars, and it might be an eerie similarity on all three stars. And if she does have the number 999 and 3, like Natalie would, you better be wise and not let history repeat herself. And the other 2 stars, well, they'll probably go after them. So seriously, good luck. And like I said, if my information helps, I'll use it. And contact the LA County Sheriff's Department. And possibly could be going to Chicago, New York, or Washington. So keep an eye on me when I'm there. So thanks. Good luck.